Hey guys, let's discover Expression Web 4, your gateway to creating amazing websites. But what is Expression Web? It's a good question. Expression Web is a tool by Microsoft for making websites. It is like a magic box where you can write code and design web pages all in one place. Why use Expression Web? Well, that's a wise question though. But I have an answer. It's a user-friendly, perfect for beginners, and it's free. You can create professional-looking websites with ease. Thanks, Doggy. Let's see some basic concepts of Expression Web. Here we see two languages, a common language we use. One is called HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. The second one is CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. But why do we have two languages? Let's see, why do we have it? HTML is like the skeleton, whereas CSS is like the clothing that makes it look good. You can see in the picture there, HTML is made of bricks, it's blocks. But how CSS makes the house look beautiful there. HTML provides essential layout and organization for the website, whereas CSS adds styles, colors, and design elements to the website. Think of HTML as building blocks of a website, like the bricks of a house. It forms the basic structure and content. CSS is like the paint, wallpaper, and decorations that make the house look beautiful and unique. CSS takes the basic HTML structure and adds colors, fonts, and layout styles to make it visually appealing. And something it looks like this. You see there, HTML is nothing but a skeleton or the structure, the basic structure. And when we add up there the clothing or the colors, it gives a complete presentation look. That's using HTML and CSS. Now let's get started with Expression Web. To begin, you just need a computer and your imagination. And this Expression Web will be your guide on this exciting journey. Let's dive in and start exploring. Here we have three basic views, we call them, in any Expression Web window. The first, an individual code view, design view, but when you want them two together in a single window, that's called a split. It splits the window into two parts. One is the code and the other one is design, right? It is something like this. This is the original Expression Web window. By the way, which view is it? Oh yeah, you got it right. It's a split, right? Above there is a code window. Down there it is design. So two windows together or two views together, it is split. Let's move on now. Where do I find tools and options to create my web page? Yeah, I'm more worried about this now. Let's see what's that. Here is the Expression Web window. At the bottom, you see the cursor. There are three views. The first one is called the code view, where you can see the code over there. It is the basic, that we call it default code. It appears whenever you open one new HTML document. Yep, and you have the design here, where you will add your pictures, your text, your videos, whatever the tables you want to see in your web page. Here, directly picking from the options, you will place it or drop it here. If you want to see them two in the same window, we have to go for the split. here about the code, and here is the web page you want to see it as. You keep on placing your elements or the data. So here is the code window. It keeps on appearing automatically. We don't need to write much. You see on the left bottom, these are the properties of the tags. You're going to use HTML tags or CSS, or even you can have the styles you can apply from here as well. Yeah, you see the file name there, and whatever your files you have, it will appear in the folder list. And now on the right side, we have the toolbox where HTML tags are displayed in the form of a list. You can just pick them and drop them in your design as it is. And here at the bottom, you have all about CSS, how to manage the styles, how to attach new style sheets, or you can even create new styles. Now, let's see here on the top, you have lots of menus. And when you open the file, here are all to create a new document, and we can save it. We can even open existing ones, and here preview in browser. Once it's created, you can open it in the web browser, either any one you can choose from. Yeah. Now, if you go to the second one, that's the edit menu. Cut, copy, paste, you know them, right? Now, insert all hyperlinks you can insert in the web page, pictures you can insert, and also videos. From here, insert. Formatting, as you know, adding fonts, paragraphs, styles, bullets, borders to your tables and all we can add here. New styles as well, you can format them. From here, you can create a new style as well. Yep. And if you go for the table, we have like creating a new table with all its features. Here, number of rows, columns, like that we can set in the window. And if you come to the tools here, at the bottom you have page editor options where we can set the font for your windows here. Code window, design window, whether you want that font, your code font to be bigger, smaller, and what type of font you want. From here, you can select. Yeah, this is done. Now, let's quickly design a sample web page in no time. Are you ready? Let's go for it. Oh no, sorry. The video is getting too long. You have to wait for my next video to start with the first web page ever in our lives.